To celebrate their win, Norm and Jess have brought a few drinks over to Bianca and Carla's apartment.
We always have an end-of-day debrief with our Penty mates, and we're all just sitting around chatting about the day. Jess just puts her hand on the wardrobe just to lean, you know. In slow motion, the wardrobes start to fall.
Was that Jess?
Oh, no! Holes in our walls that have just been plastered.
Oh, my God!
Some dents in the wardrobe.
Look at that! Oh, well, I was celebrating me win and looking all bloody swag and that. And then, and I landed all the cabinetry and I put it all in their room.
Lucky Norm can plaster and patch up Jess's path of destruction.
We'll pay for everything. Oh, I'm so sorry. You idiot.
Disaster averted.
Oh, you got off me beer over.
Bummer Norm, guess I spoke too soon.